So you remember GravGrip? Sure you do. They created this cool little system for your GoPro or action camera to get some creative cinematic jib type shots. And well, now they have one for your phone, which, let's face it, phone cameras are getting pretty awesome. So I'll tell you a little bit more about this, and quickly, because it's 30-second Thursday. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. Don't be a stranger, and let's just get right to it. So GravGrip sells the cell phone adapter kit, which is all you need if you already have the GravGrip system. But if you don't have the GravGrip V2 system, you can order the GravGrip V2 cell phone, this one right here, or bundle and save and get all of that stuff, plus this really nice extension pull, and it is a really nice extension pull. And guess what? You can even save a little bit more money with my coupon code DannyBlack, and I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a surprise link. So the setup is kind of easy, but there is a little bit of fine tuning that you can do, and you can actually get in there a little bit further, and you can add different hydraulic settings to it to customize the speed of the motion you want to get. And remember, this does not replace a gimbal. This is merely just to get one of those jib shots. And on their website, they have really good instructional videos on how to do it. So when you get your phone on there and you get it balanced, you get it all fine-tuned exactly how you want to, well, then you're ready to get a nice reveal shot like this. So just like the GoPro, when you raise up your camera, it keeps it level, thanks to our good friend Gravity. But time is up, and this is just the gist of the product. If you want to see the full review I did before, do check that out. It gives you more of an idea of how to use it in action. Thanks so much for all the love and support that you guys have given this channel. I really do appreciate it. More products to review and fun videos to make all of the time, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.